Welcome guys. It's the last week of the year and here's the tracking on gold. I'm not going to waste much time. It's clear in the charts. My expectation for gold here is pure rejection at this zone. If there's a clear rejection at this zone, I'm expecting to sell. Over here on the smaller time frame, I'm expecting more like a head and shoulder pattern formation here. Give me a clear rejection around 1808 and I could ride it down. And if for any reason price breaks through 1813 for the highs it made here, over here on the daily time frame, it's clear. If price breaks through this region, then we'll be expecting some buys to 1833. And otherwise, I'm expecting this to be more like a double top formation after this huge dip, and then we'll see price rally down, something of this nature, from here down to here as first TP, and then finally to 1825, like I've always said. So nothing much to be said. Let's see how this week goes. But over here on the smaller time frame for some intraday trading, I might be expecting some huge like maybe a drop into this region, a retest of this region to form like a head and shoulder pattern, and I'll sell it down to 1800, more like 80 pips right, or 70 pips right there. And furthermore, we could see price drop to 1790 intraday. But let's see how price plays out till Wednesday and then Friday. I'll see you guys on Wednesday. Ciao. All right guys, welcome to weekly tracking here on gold, and this is Wednesday. And listen, price closed this is more like a pin bar, but not strong pin bar, bro. It's more like a few rejections on this zone. It closed at the zone. So my initial bias on Monday was that if price really breaks this region, we'll see price head out to 1833. But within the lower time frame perspective, price was actually really very bullish. But I wasn't like paying attention. I wasn't really trading because yeah, it's the holidays. I'm chilling. So what am I expecting? Is either price does this, coming down to 1759, 1760, right? So what am I seeing here? A clear rejection, but it didn't close below. It didn't close below this last Monday low here, right here. So what am I expecting? The highest bias I'll have to short gold is if price close below Monday's low perfectly, and then I'll decide. But for now, on the lower time frame perspective, let me put this on the 1 hour so you could see clearly. So this is what I have on the 1 hour. Price started doing what I was expecting on Monday. But if price comes back here and give me some kind of a rejections here on this zone on the lower time frame here on 1 hour, I might shut it down to 1800. Yeah. Otherwise, I'm still skeptical about taking trades here on gold. Rather, I will just wait. But the possibility price will test 1800 and test 1790 region. Yeah, let's see how this goes. Otherwise, price will just reject these regions and come back up. I'll see you guys on Friday, and let's see how this plays out. All right guys, welcome to weekly tracking here on gold, and I'm excited to round up this year with a good tracking record on FX here. It's about 11:29 p.m. here in Asia, 30 minutes before the new year 2022, and I'm glad to be doing this and recording this last weekly tracking for gold and pound USD. Right about now, let me get to work. Right, I'm so excited. Even though I didn't trade mostly this week because yeah, a lot could be, you know, holidays, chilling. Yeah, let me just round up. So last week on Wednesday I simply said if price should roll down to 1763, my highest bias is I took a trade. Remember the last thing I said before closing on the last week, last Wednesday, I said last Wednesday, yeah, on Wednesday, is that if price comes back to give me a rejection over here, I would short it, and that is what happened. I had double, like over here. If you watch here, we have a more like a drop, base drop. Yeah, so it was a beautiful trade, and basically more like my last trade for last trade analysis for the week, for the year and the week and the month. So it is. So right about now there were two important entries. This could have actually been a good shot for some, scalps and all that, but as you can see, price broke above this 1815 that I've been shouting over for a long period of time. So what were they expecting at 815? I was expecting a retest, but trust me, when price played this kind of prank of giving me this pin bar over here, I was expecting, okay, price might actually just roll down. Well, as you can see, price just made a new high at 1827, and my highest bias going into the new year and the new week is price probably retesting this region and still coming to hit 1830, where I would expect a proper rejection, and then we might probably roll over. But a break of it at 1833, we might expect price to start making come back to these highs it made here on 1870 right region. All right, right about now, I'll end this tracking right here. This is the 1 hour, and it is, I love gold because gold makes an excellent structures and price action works perfectly. Look at this, 1 2 3, made this more like a manipulation setting, picking up orders here, forming a double bottom, retest of this region, boom, came back here for another retest, boom, beautiful. That's what I love about gold, and this is what we'll be seeing more of in next year. So share, like, subscribe, love this, and let's get out. Yeah, I'll see you guys next year. Ciao.